Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to bioscan the Nibbler Mango in Subnautica 2. Bioscanning the Nibbler Mango unlocks the slow metabolism passive biomod, which reduces your hunger rate and lets you stay full for longer. Before heading out, make sure you have a bioscanner, since it's required to unlock the biomod's full effect. Starting from your life pod, head 105 degrees on your compass and keep swimming straight. Once you reach this man-made platform, look to its left and you'll find a school of large bluish-yellow fish. These are the Nibbler Mangoes. Quickly pull out your bioscanner and scan one. They'll usually take a bite out of you when you get close, but they don't deal much damage. They can be a bit annoying though, since they tend to attack in groups. After completing the scan, return to your base and interact with your biolab to view or equip your newly unlocked slow metabolism biomod. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.